everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another live stream in my game, which is the Millbrook rail project M2000, and we have one of the lovely guests that have been in our streams before, Brandon Briggs.
Yo, David, there's just a slight issue with the game. It comes up with a thing that says something like about buying an item. Like it doesn't buy it; it just says like a warning.
Oh. I don't know what was that.
That'd be from like a virus. I can turn it off so I can disable third-party purchases. Give me a second to do that. I assume you can still do it. Experiences allow in. Nope, we don't want that.
Oh, what were we saying?
Okay, perhaps this is a big game. Well, I'm just going to fix it like that.
Yeah.
Who we got in the chat? Oh, yeah, it's Joel. Aldo and Joel.
Good old Joel Pickett.
My head feels like it's been run over by a truck.
Ouch.
Evil Vandenbricks be like, roads up over. Laugh, I made a relevant-ish joke.
Oh, here comes Joel into the game.
Avatar settings, social links,
now,
updates, developer products.
Because Windows 11 hates me.
I'll do it. Yeah, okay, I can't find where to turn it off for some reason.
Oh, Joel just screamed, I'm good. It's nice, very nice.
Oh, Joel is on the ground. He has been knocked.
Oh, Joel is flying. Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
Anyways, so let's fly over to
I'm lagging.
Jacksonville station.
Is something unanchored? I'm lagging really badly.
Not sure. Anyways, everyone wait at Millbrook. I'm getting a taxi. The best way to get over to Jacksonville's taxi.
I just don't think my game's loaded properly yet, so it's lagging. Hopefully.
Oh, wait. Oh, yes.
Wait, do I not have admin?
Good. Oh, you should.
I don't think it's. I might just rejoin because it's not loading properly.
Not sure. There must be something going on with the game, though, because if there's pop-ups and if there's all this, then I'm sure it could be a virus. I'm not sure what would
but are you
be a virus, though, because I don't use remodels at all. Anyways, I'm driving my taxi. Driving my taxi downtown.
I have a ping and shit has been going down in my server.
Anthony's just screaming and calling me a. He's calling me some very good stuff. My computer loads very slow. That's why I'm on the ground. Oh yeah, I think we understand that already. I'll try to share my screen, but you might have to share it again, Brandon, if it's not.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what's up with my game not loading and lagging and all that. All that guff.
Not sure. I'm perfectly fine. I just got a little lag spike, but. Anyways, if you shared your scream again, that would be cool.
Yeah, I will.
What are you doing, Joel?
I'm just all loaded in.
Oh, madman.
Yeah, my admin one, like, can you just like do the give admin thing just in case it's taken it away?
Alright. Oh no, Brandon. That work?
Okay, yeah, I think it just isn't loaded yet.
Oh yeah.
Not lagging this time though. Let's start.
Oh, Joel's just sitting in the back with the car.
Yeah, my computer's been having a few issues lately, annoyingly. The other cars are in here, right? So I want them. I want my own car. Old enough to drive.
Hopefully David Bazooki hasn't peed on the Roblox servers again.
It's completely possible. He does enjoy that.
Yeah, it is a common thing for him. Anyways, once you're fully loaded in, you can share your screen. But let's go down to
Yeah, I'll wait until I get the admin, which isn't coming up.
Yeah, right. Ooh, I just dodged the bullet there.
Unless you've changed the hotkey for the hidden commands. I doubt you have.
I got admin. I'm perfectly
No, that
fine.
didn't work. I don't want to use hidden commands on, so I decided to try that. Ooh, don't knock over my super glue, please.
Oh, yeah, you probably shouldn't knock over super glue.
Yeah, it's rather bad when it gets everywhere.
Did you get your admin yet?
Nah.
I'll shut down the server.
No, I think. Oh, I was gonna say. I think it's my.
Yeah, already.
My
Quick.
He's fast.
What the hell? Someone just sent me a DM saying taco in British. In brain.
Fair enough. Sounds like a normal day. What are we actually doing on the game today?
Just getting a DM from someone. Taco in brain. My game's lagging a lot.
Yeah, it does that when it loads in. That's normal.
Yeah. Joel, I can't read you properly. You can't type, mate. Gotta go to typing school. If that's really a thing.
Cool. Oh, wait, I got my admin. Yes.
Yes! Alright, share screen then. I'll get the taxi.
Yeah. You know what would be really
Taxis
cool?
What?
If I made a version like this game, like pretty much the exact same route and everything.
Yeah.
No, that's my car. I want to drive that car. But like rails down.
That's my car.
Oh, you're mean. Literally bullying.
Get in, come on.
No, I like driving my own car. I'm a big boy.
Your driver rest. That's the word. It's not.
No, everything's right if you're smart about it.
You got some dude that I've never seen in my entire life load in. Looks like a complete psychopath, so I'm just gonna ignore him. Random, follow me, you idiot. That's not the right way to.
Wait, isn't there another one of those cars on the map?
No, this is the only one. Oh, the police cars, but that's it.
I like the police cars.
Oh god, this time I hit the Bob Burger door. That door's annoying as hell.
I'll grab a cop car. They have a really cool design.
I just got it. That dude is spamming taco in Brian now.
He's cool. He's just cool like that.
I love how we're just messing around instead of getting down to the tour. That's lovely.
I just tipped my car over.
I think I just
cop cars aren't black.
Huh?
Damn, they're not black. They're not like the ones from Stylo. Damn.
Where are you? Are you getting a cop car?
I've grabbed the cop car. Yeah. But those are the black ones. Ah! Jesus! Took a hubcap off, mate.
Oh, right, man, I just had a bit of fun today, mate.
Where's the tour meant to start?
Right, you can follow me now. Alright. Follow me. I wonder how many times this crossing has been used. Oh, you're just doing the Tokyo drifts. That's cool.
Oh, this one doesn't have the correct collisions, but I still made it.
Yeah, there's some crossings that don't have the actual collisions. Yeah. Oh, here you go, Scott. You can start to see where the new train line is forming now.
Yes, okay then.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Just come along. Now we have to raise this up a little bit. Hello, F3X. we go. That should be fine.
You had to do the crossing collisions.
Continue following me. Oh, there he goes. And this is where we arrive at.
See that narrow avoid you did and like the sick jump I did?
Yeah, that was good.
Base.
Anyways, come onto the platform.
I gotta park. M-bus parking. I'm gonna not park there then. Hold on.
Oh, you're just perfectly parking while I just parked in the middle of nowhere. Nice.
Well, I'm gonna have to impound this car. It's gonna be impounded.
Where even are you going? Right, here it is.
Have you seen
the very first public train to go into Jacksonville in game-wise? 5 months. Timeline-wise, 15 years.
Nice. Wait, have you seen the building? Like, I think it's like the Dynon, whatever it's called, at the freight yards. Where like underneath it is like a bunch of Q wagons.
Oh.
Like old VR.
Anyways, you can come in the train or
wagons. No, I'll take my car.
You can come in the train or follow by your car.
Yeah, I'll take the car. More fun.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, yeah, it's like the wagons that have containers on.
Aren't you going in the yard? Don't press it.
Oh, that was regen, not a point button. Sorry.
Nice.
I thought it was a regen. I thought it was a point button. I was gonna say, oh, can you switch it?
Now there's no points installed here yet.
Whoops.
Yeah, oops.
Sorry.
Anyways.
No one's in the game though. So the headache I've got some manageable. It's the fact that I bit my tongue earlier today and it's still hurting.
I've heard you're just flying around the place, mucking around.
Note to self: do not chew down on popcorn kernels very fast, like unpopped ones.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna take a big ass run up. Ooh, don't fall off the car park.
Uh-oh. Oh no, please no, Brandon.
See the bridge? No, you see the bridge? I'm gonna jump it.
Oh no.
Cartoon cop.
Alright, go. Chicken doodoo, chicken doodoo, chicken doodoo, chicken doodoo, chicken doodoo, chicken doodoo. Oh, little there.
I think I've got to go from the other side.
Much,
hold on. How did my bumper get dented? Joel, was that you? Did I hit my behind or something? Anyone who takes that out of context will be slain. Oh, move away!
Holy!
Oh, you noob!
Just going at slow caution because there's 2 psychopaths on the road right now. Brandon just abused Joel's car. Now arriving at New Genford. Change here for tram and bus services.
Oh yeah, moron!
Now arriving at...
Fun fact, guys, Joel has a massive skill issue.
Remember to validate your record when traveling with M-Train. Our first station, New Genford.
Oh, it's a curved platform. Oh, it actually lines up well.
Yes.
GG, buddy.
I made it.
Sick. You actually did a really good job. Assuming it doesn't hit itself on the way out.
Thank you. I'm learning the ways of the Archimedes.
Yes, yes. I can like once you've like got like a bunch of like better techniques down, like start looking at like making a new game, like using all the newer techniques.
Well, I am making a new game with Isaac, which is that Fresh Greg.
Oh yeah.
I'm still just working on the Millbrook a little bit, getting it all polished and
I'll do some actual cinematography shots. Oh, my mouse disconnected as I was doing it. That's fun. Like some nice shots for the people watching at home.
Yes, get some nice shots.
Chuck the graphics up, and then Joel just runs right in front of the camera. Lovely stuff, Joel.
Oh
my god.
Joel,
look at the way it's crashed as well. Gotta catch the explosion.
Oh.
We did not catch the explosion. Well, we kind of did. Oh, well,
Definitely
just another day in
nothing
Frankston.
special happened. Some nice shots for the Gunzels. There goes 312. And trailing is 311.
Alright, time to get to my next spot. Why is my car on the tracks? It's not where I park.
I think Joel might have done some parking arrangements to it.
Taken in a tiny bit of a trolling.
Yeah. Who is that just joined?
Hello, Akbar. That is definitely my Anthony.
No, my Anthony. Oh, Joel's doing it.
Don't ban him. No, I was gonna say hi, Anthony. How's the good weather, isn't it?
The next location, quick! It's going down to Melton.
I'm coming.
Chicken doodle, chicken doodle, chicken doodle, chicken doodle, chicken doodle.
And first person driving. Whoa! What? The building!
And then just using a cop car to Gunzel.
Rock ball torch, that's a good one. Oh, don't ban him yet.
Anthony, how you doing? I'm doing. Can we ban him now?
We'll see what he does. Hack.
Now arriving at Melton. Change here for all services to change here for all services. No hack, no ban, and no hack. I just come for the tomfoolery. Yeah, but you'll export tomfoolery.
Stop pushing my car, Joel. Don't make me delete you from the game.
Joel abuses cars.
Okay, let's go, Joel.
Part like 69.
Top car. Ah! Oh, that's a whole ass thing.
Track troll. Oh wait, you can't script. Knob. I'm not a knob. I feel offended.
I can't script either, to be
What
fair.
are you doing, mate? Oh, there he is, using $100 hacks.
Ah, fuck, get off.
Oh,
I deleted it a second too late. No, we can fix this.
Like Charlie's mate. Charlie's.
This is definitely fixable.
Just delete that Connex one out of existence. Thanks.
But if you stop, we might be able to actually save it.
Oh. There we go, I stopped.
Trailer's fine.
Oh, there we go. A peanut butter jelly, and a baseball bat. Here we see the local. Here we see the very rare and hard to find Anthony on one of his goals, trying to mess around with my game.
Right, forward.
But making no one scared.
Forward, please. David, forward.
How much?
On stop. This one might need a bit of nudging. We're gonna have to use brick.
Are we going to be able to save this boy?
Yeah, easy. Maybe. That yoinky sploink. Oh, yeah,
Oh, please. Here we see the Anthony.
Alright, try it. Rear trailer on. Yeah, that trailer looks
On?
fine. No, wait, your front.
Yeah, but then you just see the motor car.
Should be another fairly easy case.
Oh, here we go. Give
I learned these
Streamlink.
techniques from old mate Rencho.
Oh, mate, Rencho.
No, you're not good yet, though. Yeah, you're very much not good.
A tiny bit more, probably. Would do a trick.
Now you're on. Now, assume you haven't derailed anything else. Good to go.
Anthony's just under the train now. Oh, nice.
As Anthony does.
Definitely not going to screw things up for us later.
No doubt.
Oh, where's your car?
I have to delete it because I was trying to save the train.
Oh. Oh, Vanden dies, part 1.
Too late.
Anthony derailed the train. Good job, Anthony. Good job. Vanden's hard work on. Nice.
No, I'll just do it again. Anthony made me very cry.
It was only the motor car before because he jumped. Away under the train. So, right, it was only the motor car. Let's see if we can try re-railing it by going backwards. And if Anthony's
No, that doesn't work. There's other stuff you need to do to get it to do that.
Oh. What is Anthony doing, mate? Oh, of course you're getting the... Yeah. Anthony's a leaker. Yeah, we know. We know, Ozzy.
No, Anthony's alright. Oh, mate, Anthony. I know Anthony. Yeah, oh, mate. Wait,
oh, mate, Anthony.
In the chat, my thing.
He's definitely not in the game right now. Definitely.
Anthony's a massive king legend. So we don't have guns. Sorry, Anthony. I'll give you some if we did.
Yeah, Anthony, this game is not about guns. Hello.
Fucking sick. You see the way I just pulled up there?
Yeah.
That was mad.
That was a mad flip, dude.
What's about he's taking the car?
Huh? Vanden gets F3X part 1. Oh, who's in the car?
Could be Anthony.
Anthony stole your car.
Which part do you
I was using $100 hacks like always.
I don't think that costs $100. Oh, wait, here it is. Income, it only costs like...
Well, not 100. Probably $20.
Alright, drive forward. We'll see if that works. Yeah, I think they do about 20.
Good old Anthony doing messing shit up.
My car! Go forward.
I tried to warn you about it.
I know, but like I thought he wouldn't be able to do anything because the exploit's normally local. Go forward. Go, go, go.
Let's go.
You're on.
He looks tempted. I'm just gonna walk away. Oh, oh, yeah, Anthony. This car. Never. No. Yeah. Now arriving at Melton. Change here for all services to Millbrook or Ballarat. This is a service to Jacksonville. Stopping all stations to Jacksonville. Hey, Joel's sitting with me in the cab. Hello, Joel. Hello, Joel. Now arriving at Melton. Change here for all services to Millbrook or Ballarat. This is a service to Jacksonville. Stopping all stations to Jacksonville. Oh yeah, not dairy. Dairy. What are you doing to yourself, Brandon?
All good.
Oh, you're getting a good old car.
No, I'm giving Anthony my
car.
mobster car. It's my gangster car.
Yeah, gangster.
It's JFK. Yes.
Come to my train.
All right, yeah,
people see the train of the world. They've just been watching you trolling Anthony for like the longest time now.
Da, 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 da,
It's at Melton.
Da 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 da. Meow. Anthony, if you're watching the stream, the car drives like shit. Just saying. And
yeah, I can notice.
Right, let's go.
Let's go. Good afternoon, passengers. The train on platform 1 is now departing. Please stand clear of the yellow line. Going back on the branch line, boys. There he goes. I can see Joel's hand coming out to the side. That's cool.
Some lovely filmography from all my Vanden Bricks.
Oh, my Vanden Bricks.
How's the train still fine?
The train's fine.
Oh, it actually is. Sick.
If you drop the car, the train would probably be fine. Come on.
I want to, turn the old accelerator off.
Yeah,
guys,
that's what I've
this is
done.
so sad. Please hit like.
So tragic. There's been a train crash. So tragic.
Anthony, mate, you're gonna have to fly this one out of here.
Yeah. Why does troubles, man?
Now, what's actually off? Go forward. Oh wait, no, don't go forward yet. I use some of my epic techniques. All right, forward.
Nothing's happening.
All right. Forward again.
Nothing. Oh, it's because I think a slight bit of the bogies on the front are derailed. I think one of the gliders have been put off.
That shouldn't matter. It should still, even if I took this thing onto the grass, it should still work. That's the way BV works. And look at the amount of Z fighting in this car.
I'll go respawn the train really quickly. Does someone have a ride? Anthony, you idiot! I'm the owner of the game. Take me. Come on, take me to Jacksonville Depot or else.
Take us to the depot. Take us to the depot or no Robux. I will take all your Robux. My dad works at Roblox. He can do that. No, we should. We can hear his voice for like the first time. Yo, JT Garble Bins. Do you know where you're going, mate? Oh, come on, let me in the car. Let me in. Oh, whoops. Let me drive. You're a noob. Oh, God. Joel's getting aggressive. Look out.
Follow the train line. The train.
Oh, Joel lost Carl's helicopter.
Follow the train line. The train was on.
Very quiet. Very quite interesting. I'm just sharing my screen.
Oh, man. What are you doing, Landon?
Secrets. My friend finished the drawing she said she was doing. The very questionable drawing. The drawing at that.
Did you get a copper?
What? No, I don't have a cop car.
Joel killed Mr. Anthony with his sword. Noob. Joel wins, Anthony loses once again.
Where are you guys?
We went all the way down to Ballarat. Let's go.
I have a better way of flying.
Oh no.
It's very good.
Oh, we're going to the
I'm driving. Oh, he found it too. He found it too.
Oh no, fear me, I'm driving Thomas the Tank Engine. Fuck.
Oh my, fear me as well.
No, I'm gonna give everyone a seizure. I'll just give everyone a seizure.
No. I'm my eyes don't like flashing lights, especially when I've got a headache.
Oh.
No seizures.
Yeah, probably the best idea.
I might get a seizure, but I just, face will hurt a little. Oh, that's not the Thomas I'm driving. Anthony, look up.
Oh, I know which one you're driving. Which one are you driving? The road vehicle or the helicopter?
The helicopter.
Oh god. My doorway here. Right. Might get a bit of a sick. Look how good there. I just. We got the legendary. We've got the legendary train carriage band, and we found 400M. But it's not trailing; it's actually leading. And trailing is 400M. Get in, Joel. Get in the cab, Joel. Espresso.
And trailing is 400M, has PT Media. How's up? Fucking all mine has a payday. Oh, you mine, I'll bid you.
Alright, I'm back, mates. And trailing is 400M. As a.
Everyone loves How's a PT. Chase comments on the Belgrave line. I know that's Sam's trains. I know, well, same thing.
Oh, the Belgrave line. Oh, yeah, who cares about the Belgrave line?
No. Chase the snow train. Catch your comment on the Belgrave line. Yeah. God, if he watches this, I'm going to get in so much trouble. He's in
the old Belgrave line.
Oh, he's an angry little turd, as most in this community are. They'll realize their ways eventually.
I'm just going full on express here. Oh, let's get the train to do a little bit of trolling. And leading is 400 M. Oh, God. Yeah, there we goes. There we goes. Let's just leave the train here. Alright, guys, this is basically where the two end, because we're now messing around. We'll keep on messing around.
You're a pro for me like me. You can do anything.
So goodbye, everyone.